I'm Naveen Kolla from Project Team 5. Today I'm going to give you a presentation about the a priori algorithm. So the a priori algorithm is given by R. Agarwal and R. Shrikant in 1994. It is used to find frequent item sets in a dataset for Boolean association rules. So the algorithm got its name a priori because it uses prior knowledge of frequent item set properties. In Latin, the word a priori means using the previous knowledge. So that's how it got its name. And then in the a priori algorithm, we apply an iterative approach or level-wise search where k frequent item sets are used to find k plus 1 item sets. And now I'm gonna explain the a priori algorithm in general layman terms with an example. So um, so I'm gonna take a pizza shop as an example to explain you this. So in a pizza shop, you must have noticed that a pizza shop seller makes a soft drink and breadstick combos together. He and not only that, he also offers a discount on those combos. For example, if you have to buy pizza, soft drink, and breadstick separately, they might have cost you $15. But if you buy them in a combo offering, it might cost you $10. So, so the pizza shop seller. So, do you ever think why does the pizza shop seller do this? Um The pizza shop seller thinks that customers who buy pizza also buy soft drinks and breadsticks. So by making combos, he makes it easy for the customers to choose the combo instead of choosing the single items. So he tells the decision of the customer by making the customer to choose the combo which comes with the three items instead of choosing three individual items. So a customer is more attracted to choose the combo. This will increase his sales and also the performance. So and now I'm going to explain the algorithm of the a priori. So here we have to build a candidate set for k item set and extract a frequent list of k elements using support count. After we use the frequent list of k items in determining the candidate and frequent list of k plus 1 items, we do this using the pruning method. We use pruning to do that, and we repeat the pruning until we have an empty candidate or frequent support of k item sets. Once we have an empty candidate or a frequent support of k items, then we return the list of k minus 1 item sets. This is the a priori algorithm. And now I'm gonna give you some advantages and limitations of the a priori algorithm. The first and foremost is a priori algorithm is one of the simple and understand easy to understand algorithm. It is the by far the most easiest in all of the proposed associative rule algorithms, and it is used to calculate large item sets. So those two are some of the major advantages of the a priori algorithm. And then next, the limitations. So some of the limitations of the a priori algorithm are it is so expensive for an a priori algorithm is an expensive algorithm cause it has to scan through the whole database whenever it performs. So it is an expensive method. And the second thing is uh, we need a huge number of candidate rules, so it becomes computationally more expensive. So overall, applying a priori is an expensive task and it takes a lot of computational power to do that. So and now I'm going to give you some real-time applications of the a priori algorithm. So in medical field, we can analyze the patient's database using an a priori algorithm. That means if a patient has certain disease, using the a priori algorithm, it means that whether the patient is patient has any underlying condition of the following disease. And the second thing is forestry. So using a priori algorithm, we can predict the probability and the intensity of a forest fire. For example, consider California. By inputting all the past fires in Californian forests, we can predict uh, predict the probability of the next occurring fire in the Californian region and the instant intensity of that fire. And in the educational field, extracting association rules in data mining of admitted students through characteristics and specialities. And in entertainment sector, for consider an OTT platform like Netflix. um, Based on the past viewing experience of yours, the system will recommend a new movie. For example, if you are watching the Batman 1 movie, the system will probably recommend the Batman 2 Batman 2 as your next watching content. And in some and the a priori algorithm can also be used in some instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, iMessage, whatever, to complete the sentences or words. Like for example, if you have typed some words, the a priori algorithm detects the next occurring word and it suggests that word instead of you typing that word. So these are some of the applications of the a priori algorithm. And before I close, I have a question to everyone about the a priori application algorithm. So my question is a priori algorithm supervised learning approach or unsupervised learning approach? So the answer for that is a priori algorithm is more an unsupervised learning approach. Thank you everyone.